Big walleye. All right. Here in the Niagara Whirlpool. All right. Fish, guys. Fish. Tayo ng bass. Alright guys, we got a bass and we're going to release it. This is our first fish and I wanna release it. Okay, let's go and release it, guys. Let's go and release it. Mababaw pa yung tubig. So, pakawalan natin siya dito. Dito. Here. Woohoo! Alright. That's the first fish. Ayos! Guys, nandito ako ngayon sa Niagara Whirlpool. Ito, makikita nyo malakas pa rin yung agos pero magpipishing pa rin tayo. Sana hindi umulan para hindi madulas yung daan. Okay guys, mamaya sasabihin ko sa inyo kung may mahuli tayo. Okay, subukan muna natin, baka sakaling may kumagat dito. Yan, subukan lang natin para sakali. Ibang spot naman ito. So ibang spot ito ngayon. Subukan natin dito para maiba naman. It's a big walleye. Big walleye. All right. Here in the Niagara Whirlpool. All right. Guys, susukatin natin tong walleye kung pasok siya sa limit, size limit. 19 inches. So pasok na pasok ito kasi 20 yung 20 yung allowed. Okay guys, ayos, ayos. Fish guys, fish. Oh, bass. Pero pakakawalan natin to guys, medyo maliit. Maliit siya para lumaki-laki pa siya. I-release natin. Saglit lang, saglit lang. Yun. Tanggal. Okay, i-release ko guys. Dito medyo mataas, babagsak ko na lang dito. Okay. Yun. Yun, pangalawang bus yun. Ayos. Nakakawalan natin to, red doors. Okay guys, nakakawalan natin red doors to eh. Oh, yun, ayos. Okay, nakahuli tayo doon ng isang bass at saka isang walleye. So lilipat ulit tayo ng spot. Nakahuli rin pala ako doon ng isang red horse, pero pinakawalan natin. Hindi ko inuwi ang red horse guys, matinik kasi yun eh. Nakakain yun, kaya lang matinik. Okay, dito galing na ako kanina, naiwan ko pa ata yung pliers ko. Tingnan natin kung nandito lang. Tingnan natin o kung wala na, kasi may nagpi-fishing din kanina dito. Ayun, ayun guys, nandito pala. Oh, naiwan ko yung pliers ko. Ito, ito. Okay, buti na lang may magamit. Okay, I'm going back in the whirlpool because you know there is a possible thunderstorm later on, and I don't wanna get caught by this slippery trail, you know. That's why I'm going back there, but I am still going to fish. I still have some worm with me. I'll just have to finish it and then that's it. Okay guys, let's go back there. Yeah. There's also a small waterfalls in here. Yeah, this is slippery, you know. You have to be very careful if you're coming here. There's a little bit of waterfalls here, and this is slippery also, you know. You have to be very careful over here. Whoop, yeah, I got wet on that side. Woohoo! Slowly, slowly. Yeah, yeah, hip, yeah. How about here? Maybe I could fish here. Okay, let's try in here. Guys, huli tayo ng sheephead. Ito. Pwede itong iwi. Halos matanggal yung hook niya sa pagkaka-hook. Pero makunat ang uso nito kaya hindi nakaalis. Ayan. Ito. Pwede nating iwi ito. Sheephead.
You use this one?
Yeah, it's a one. What you're using?
I use it for fight. For fight.
Oh,
Like, no.
yeah, there's some pipe here, but they're in the deep.
Deep.
Yeah, I'm using worm, not trawler.
It's one for today.
Huh?
It's one for today.
I got five.
One
I released 2 bass, 2 of this, and 1 walleye. It's here. No, this is a walleye.
This
All of,
for this step. Which step?
all of them. This one is good. Yeah, this is walleye. This is like this. I released 2 bass.
You use the every time
Worm.
same?
Yeah.
Worm?
Yeah.
Not enough.
I use worm like that.
Only worm.
Okay, good luck.
Good luck.
Yeah. I have a YouTube actually.
Today.
The walleye any big?
Yeah, it's 19.
Those are pretty good. Good eating.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Careful there.
Yep.
Yun, nag-enjoy na naman tayo guys. Nakahuli tayo ng isang malaking walleye, 19 inches, tapos 2 sheephead, 3 bass. Pero yung mga bass pinakawalan ko lahat kasi hindi masyadong kalakihan. Pwede na siyang iuwi kaya lang pinakawalan ko. Tapos isang red horse. So pag aakyat natin, kung mayroon tayong madaan ng basura, pupulutin na naman natin. So yun ang naging So natin, tulong na lang natin dito dahil nagpi-fishing naman tayo dito at nakikinabang din tayo. Okay guys, isang bato pa tapos uwi na tayo. Dito iwan ng bote. Naman dito ng pa. Iwan. Iwanan nila rito. Iwan na lang natin. Tapo na naman ng basura dito. Guys, I noticed there's less garbage today, so I only pick up a few water bottle and what's this, tin can. So it seems like Whirlpool is cleaner today, and that's good. Okay guys, I'm here at the top and I enjoy fishing, plus we also contributed to the environment today by picking up other people's garbage here. Okay, let's put it here again. Okay, thank you guys, bye bye.